We're now live. Live from Bali. Don't me! I need my cap. Because my hair is ano. Okay. Any questions? Celeste. Hi, Celeste Cortesi. How are you? Where are you right now? You wanna join my live? Oh. Hi, Celeste. Hi. I'm so dark na. I'm sorry. What just happened? Jordan said what just happened. Hi, Jordan. Hello, Brian. How's everyone? Hello. Hello, hello. Okay, this is what just happened, okay, guys? I have to tell you something. Okay. We just woke up around 10 a.m. And suddenly, Celeste was waking me up with a very loud voice like, Babe, babe, you get my food outside. The Grab driver is there already. Tapos when I went out, paglabas ko doon sa gate, wala naman yung Grab driver. Yung pala lumampas yung pin niya doon sa kabila. So I had to go after the Grab driver. Ayun, ang layo. Yan, yun ang kwento ni Celeste today. Where's the birthday boy daw? The birthday boy is there, watching the live. Jordan, where's the birthday boy daw? Ang hot naman. Ang hot ng weather, not me. Char. Oh my God. Ahoy. View request. Go live. We have a phone-in interview today. You're gonna answer some questions. Okay. Are you gonna be live with Bobsky? Hi! Kumusta? Oh my God, long time no see!
Hello!
Hello! Hello! Where are you right now?
I have no idea.
Oh my God! What are you doing in
Hold
Bali?
on. Oh, 619, huh? Oh,
Okay, the question remains. What just happened, Celeste?
I don't know. I don't know.
What just happened?
I don't know.
Okay. Did you order your food na?
Did you order?
I ordered mi goreng.
We
Okay.
ordered migore.
May goreng.
What do you say?
Mi
So,
goreng.
so how are you guys?
Wow, we're good. We're here at the pool. How about you?
I'm here. Oh, wait. How do you flip the camera? Hello.
Ay! Don't, pinubuking mo na.
How do you flip the camera like that?
Itigil na
Oh,
natin to.
let's see.
Okay.
Let's read some comments.
Okay. Comment, guys. Any questions for Celeste?
Uh, what
Okay.
just happened is the charot.
Any questions, guys? We will answer it.
Abu will answer
I
it.
will answer for Celeste. But
Oh my
don't
God, my friend.
don't treat it as a serious answer, okay? It's all a joke. Okay.
Guys, say happy birthday to
Happy birthday,
Bob, please.
Bobski.
Everyone,
Happy
send your
birthday.
happy birthdays. Where are we going tonight? Charot. Where are we going?
Where are we going? Bobski, you decide.
Mi goreng.
Happy birthday daw, Bobski from RJ Mariano.
Thank you, RJ. Oh, thank you.
Ano?
Birthday. Happy birthday from Jordan, from Mika Vogue. Oh,
Why I
guys, follow
cannot see the
Bobski.
comments?
Oh my God, look
You
at that.
cannot? I can see it.
Ako wala.
Oh, sige. Tuluan natin mag-Tagalog yung Celeste.
Sige.
Yes, Tagalog.
I'm gonna eat.
Oh my god.
Drink the beer.
We're so tired. Yesterday we went out.
Ah, oy, Celeste, bakit hindi blonde yung hair mo? Akala ko
Oh
blonde ka.
yeah, this is I'm a natural blonde. I just color my hair. See, look, you can see the blonde. I'm gonna retouch it next week to Manila.
Kasi, what? So, someone commented daw, Celeste is, fake daw yung hair niya. Blonde daw
I am a
siya.
fraud because
Fraud
I am
daw
a
siya.
natural blonde.
Sabi, she's a real blonde. She just colored her hair. She's a fraud.
Yeah, I'm a natural blonde. You
Yeah.
guys found out my secret. Why I cannot see any comment?
Really?
Oh, there.
Did you see it?
Wala. Wala.
Blur. Are you Australian now?
Sorry, I've been
Blur.
spending too much time with Axel. So I have a
Jordan, you've
weird
been
accent
exposed.
now.
Sabi ni Jordan, you've been exposed, Celeste.
I
You're
have
not.
been exposed as a natural. But I'm, I'm also Australian, by the way, if you haven't noticed.
So for those who want to see Celeste in Bali, they're going to joke.
Or
we're, go- we're going
no,
to this place later. Joke lang.
no.
No, no.
No one paid for something.
Oh, he's craving for something. Oh my god, I cannot see the comments.
No, there's no one commenting anyway.
Okay.
Yeah, no one's asking you any question.
They don't care.
It's only Jordan. Jordan is commenting. You've
Hi,
been
George.
exposed.
We miss it. Look at my hair color, so bad. Oh my god, the blood is coming out, Char. Hi, George.
I love a chill Friday.
Okay,
Whatever.
explain, babe. What just happened?
I have no idea.
For you guys, you have to understand the comment.
There is no
Anyway,
understanding.
we're
Why
gonna
Axel
have
is
lunch.
drinking a beer?
Oh, Axel.
It's only afternoon.
Oh, okay. Lunch
Bowel.
time for
What's
our
your lunch? A
340
beer.
viewers. O sige na, tara na, kain na tayo.
Okay.
Bye-bye. Bye,
Ay,
guys.
so sweet. Bye, guys. Love you.
Love you. Love you.
Oh my god, Grace is having a massage.